Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to plan out my week from the 13th to, the 19th? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 13 to 19. And I'm going to show you guys how I'm planning out my week in this video. So let's get started with the first thing being the days of the week. As always, I will have all the links you'll ever need down below, so anything I use, including this planner, which allows me to navigate through the tabs. I could click on February and be taken to February, but now we're in May. So I'm going to click on May. I'm going to go to this week, and this is the week that we are planning out currently. I will also have this insert link down below, and pretty much anything I use, you will find a link in the description box below. So I'm also going to add in some of my weather stickers because they're fantastic. I don't remember if I put them in here. I guess I didn't, but I do have them somewhere here. Okay, so weather stickers. I'm just going to move that over. And we're going to go back to my week. Okay, so we got cloudy.
And then we have some rainy for 3 days in a row, so I am just pasting them in here and resizing everything. Friday we have another cloudy, then Saturday we got sunny, and Sunday is partly cloudy.
Now I'm just going to quickly color these in. I just like to add in a little bit of color into my planner sometimes. Sometimes it's more neutral, but sometimes I do like to add in color. So I'm just coloring in my weather stickers with the highlighting tool. Alright, so my weather stickers are finished now, and then I'm going to go on to kind of just planning out my week. So I'm going to just write down my headers and what I want those to look like. So these sections are separated into 3 categories, and I do not use the same section every time. So I'm just going to write down what I do use them for and then go from there. Okay, so I have Monday through Friday as my work header, the very top one. Then I also have, I'm going to have a to-do, a hustle, events, to buy, and little things headers. So, let me just put in all of my hustle ones. Those are going to be pink. As you guys can see, I'm not very consistent with where my headers go. I just kind of go with it, you know? Alright, so events now, things that I know are happening, are going to be in blue. Okay, then Sunday, I need a to-do section. I don't know what color to make to-do, but I think I just might make it yellow. I'm going to make my to-buy section also yellow, and only because it's kind of like a to-do, but I just changed it to to-buy, but it's still things I need to do that day. They're specific, so I'm also going to make those yellow. I could also just write to do and then write by blah blah blah, but I just separated it a little further. And then I'm also going to have a little things section, and I think I might make this purple. Off the top of my head right now, I don't know if I have any other little things, so I'm not sure what goes in the bottom boxes yet that are not filled in, but this is kind of just how I do it. So far, knowing that Monday through Friday should be a work, I normally have something happening on Saturday or Sunday, and I know off the top of my head. Then I spend time with my babe on Friday nights. Tuesday, I know I have an event to go to, but obviously I have work first, so I kind of was just separating it based on what I know, what my week is going to look like. So to go from there, let's go on, and I'm gonna fill in my whole entire week. So you guys will see I add in check boxes. You guys will see I add in sometimes words and pretty words and things like that. But from pretty much now is just me filling in what my week is going to look like. So I do know that I need a birthday thing for Tuesday, so I'm just gonna grab. I don't have a birthday one in here. I have a birthday in here. So I'm just going to highlight this birthday, take screenshot, this, copy, and then go back to my planner and paste. I'm just going to crop the outside. To go with this birthday, I'm going to make a little checklist, because I know I needed to buy like a birthday card, some balloons. So I made like a little square. I like to duplicate my square, just make a copy of it. And I think I might need like, oops, where did that go? I might need like 4 squares. Okay, so I know I need a card.
And I also need some other things, so I'm just going to write them all down here.
Here, and most of the week, I know I want to work on Etsy orders. So here I'm going to put in an image that I have in my photos. I had written, oh wait, no, I think I have it in my stickers. Okay, so yeah, Etsy orders, I'm going to use this one. You know what, let me grab the meal prep also, because I will also need that as well. Okay, so this one, the meal prep, I'm gonna move over to, I think, Sunday. Okay. Alright, so Etsy orders, I know I need to do this day, and again on this day. Sometimes it's a little repetitive, but it's because I do the same thing every week. I'm adding an image. I know I need to scrapbook all week, so I wrote this one in Procreate. I'm just gonna crop it a little bit, and I was trying to fit this in like across, but that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna put the scrapbook there, and I'm just gonna take this and move this up. I probably could have like written that in like some bubble letters. That actually might look better. You know what? We're gonna get rid of this. Delete that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some bubble letters, I think, here. Or not even bubble letters, just big letters. I'm fully aware that's not the prettiest looking thing, but you know what? I am okay with that. I can go back and add, you know, some lines, make it look prettier. And there you go. Now that looks even a little different more, and that actually looks prettier. So we're gonna leave that like that. We got Etsy orders, we got scrapbook. So my Monday work day, I have like a ton of stuff I normally have to do on like work days. I'm just gonna grab these things right here, these check boxes, copy that, and I'm gonna paste it here. I leave a blank in between for these because I always have a lot of writing, and I don't write their names in, if I have to do like IEP stuff, I don't write the student's name on here, but I'm like trying to think about like when I have my prep periods and when I have an IEP period. So here I know I need to do, I would write the student's name here normally, but I know I need to do the Woodcock-Johnson assessment, and then I'll write the student's name afterwards. So dash and then the student's name, and same thing here. On Tuesday, I know I need to do a lesson plan because we have visitors at work on Wednesday, and prep lesson work on Wednesday, like I just said, we're having visitors. So I think I will do, oops, that is gigantic. Let's do something like this. Trying to do bubble letters again. Okay, so I do need to make this a little smaller. Just gonna highlight that and resize for it to fit into my box. And same thing as I did with the scrapbook, I just like to add in lines. I think it adds a little bit of decoration, but nothing that takes too long to do. And then I know I need to grade homework, so I'm gonna grab this box again, and I need to like not grade homework. I kind of just look for completion. I don't actually grade it, but I will write notes like, oh, this is how you do this, or like whatever, but I just don't grade it. I look to see that students actually just tried their homework, and they get like a yes, no, or incomplete. So that's why it says grade homework. I don't know how else to write it if I'm not actually grading it, but I don't know how else to write it. So Thursday, I need to work on some IEPs. I need to do another assessment on another student also. So 2 IEPs I should work on when I get a chance. And I need to do the Woodcock Johnson on another student. End of the year, lots of IEPs to be finalized. Friday, I know I have 2 parent meetings. So let me see in my sticker thing. My work colors are normally green. So let me see, meeting, where's meeting? Meeting. Okay, I'm just gonna highlight the outside of this, take screenshot, copy, and I'm gonna put this in here. Paste, crop. And the thing is, on Friday, I have 2 meetings. One of them that I'm in charge of, one of them that the other special education teacher is in charge of. Gotta be flip-flopping back and forth. And that way we could go to both meetings. One of them is actually just a parent meeting. Oh, right, this is Friday, so this is the day that I hang out with my babe. And we're actually gonna go see a movie. Go to my stickers. It's not, I mean, I guess it kind of is movie night. I'm not getting to go to movie night this week like I normally do on Tuesday with my friend, only because I have the birthday to go to. But I am going to movie night, I guess, with my babe, but on Friday, because we're actually going to the movie theater. So here I'm gonna add in this thing. It's gonna say movie night, and we're gonna go see A Dog's Journey. And that's at 9:45 p.m. on Friday that we're gonna go see. And before that, we'll probably get some ice cream. So I'm gonna write Ralph's Italian Ices. Okay, so that is my Friday, and then Friday night, or like before my baby, I guess, comes over. So before 6 o'clock, I know Friday I'm getting some plants from work. We have like a garden, and one of the people running it is giving me a couple of plants because I told him my tomato and my basil aren't doing so good. So he's giving me some plants I could take home, and I'm gonna need to plant them. So I'm just copying this checklist again. Not this little checklist thing. And I'm gonna put it right here. So I need to plant some herbs, and I also need to order some shoes. So this is like a Friday. I could do things, you know, before my babe comes over. I need little booties, guys. So if you guys have any recommendations of where I could get cute little booties, because mine are like all broken and I always get them fixed, but they're no longer fixable, okay? They died completely, my little black booties. And I like the ones that have like the black heel also, not like the brown. So it's been hard finding some, but now that mine officially have died, I really need to get new ones. Also on Sunday, whatever is throughout the week, I want to post on Instagram because I ordered from AliExpress like 2 weeks ago, so stuff should start coming in, and I want to show you guys like what I get. So if it's any AliExpress dies, I want to post on my Insta stories, which I will also film my YouTube video on it as well, like a YouTube haul of my AliExpress order. But I do also want to just show you guys on Instagram like ahead of time as things come in, because the YouTube video is going to be like one whole collective thing of that whole order that I placed when everything comes in. And then if I get any shirts throughout the week, that's right, tees. I'm also going to post that on Instagram and just kind of like share it with you guys. And on Saturday, oh right, I even put in like the Saturday event, but we have another birthday to go to. So let me go back to here. Where's the birthday sticker? A birthday. So I need this guy again. And then on Saturday, also, things I have to get done is get a new bracelet because my Pandora bracelet broke, and I need to go to Target. Okay guys, I think that might be it for my whole entire week. At some point throughout this week, I'm just gonna like put little notes on the side. So at some point, let me just grab another checklist sticker. Or not sticker, but you know, just paste it here. So at some point, I need to figure out what I'm giving away next week. Oh, I didn't even do that, guys. I need to choose a giveaway winner, and make a grocery list. What am I doing with my life? Did I like miss a whole bunch of stuff? Okay, I'm gonna add in another little things section here. It's hard, trying to like think of things on the spot to add. Alright, I need to choose a giveaway winner. So let's grab also one of those. So I'm doing a giveaway this week, which by the time you guys see this video, there will no longer be a giveaway. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. But basically I'm going to give away the weather stickers this week, and I think I'm going to do a giveaway every single week. So make sure to check my Instagram so you guys could enter. But it's going to be like a random chosen giveaway winner, but I just forgot to add that to my list. And then I need to think about, I mean, if I can, if everything comes in from AliExpress, I want to do an AliExpress haul. I doubt it, but just so I know. I'm going to do an AliExpress haul, and then I want to figure out what I'm going to give away next week also. So these are just like little notes I write for myself on the side. They're not like specific to the week because they might not happen. And they're just things I want to do without having a specific day. So this is going to be my whole plan with me video for this week, guys. From the 13th to the 19th. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, people have been asking me like, oh, how do I get the colored spread? And like you guys saw in this video, if you guys watched the whole entire thing, you don't get the colored spread, you get like a black and white, but you could color things in according to your needs. Some people do make one whole day a certain color, or some people do make one whole row a certain color. So it depends. I kind of just do mine all over the place depending on what I have happening. But that's just me, so totally up to you guys and how you guys want to plan out your week. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for all my next and future videos, and don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and follow me at KarolinasKrafts on Instagram so you don't miss out on any giveaways or my photos there or my posts. So I will see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Bye!